Guys, Miss Charlie here. We're back for another single shadow collection. We're gonna go through all these ones I have here from MAC. I have a couple loose pigments here from Wet n Wild and some of their Fantasy Maker ones here. I have these Lorac singles, and then I have some from Profusion, and then I have a couple of these type of shadows from Avon. So I'm just gonna go through them, show you swatches, and just give you some information on these products. Okay, so I'm gonna start with these two from Avon. These are very old. This is from a collab with, I believe, Jillian Darcy. Can't read that. But I've had these for so many years when I used to sell Avon. This has been a long time ago. This is when my children were smaller, and they are now 20 and 25. So these are old, but they still work just fine. They're something that you didn't see back in the day for eyeshadows, which I thought was really cool because you can use this as a shadow, a liner, whatever, and they're very pigmented and the quality is very, very good. I have it in black and in gray, and they come like this, and they have like a little, you can hear that in there, to shake up the powder inside, and then you open it up and it's a little, I don't want to spill it on my background, but it's just a little foam tip, just a little foam tip that you can use for liner or shadow or whatever, and it's very pigmented. I love these. I can't believe that I still have them in my collection and I haven't used them. I'm gonna pull these out and put these in my project pan for the month of August because these are really, really good. Then I have these ones from Profusion. I got these years ago as well from Walgreens. They were $1 for all three. Back in the day, I didn't have a lot of money to spend on makeup, so $1 for 3 shadows, that was great. That was great. And this is when Profusion was just coming out, so a lot of people didn't know about them. So I didn't know anything about this brand. I just thought it was like an off-brand or whatever. But it was in their Christmas stuff. They had like little Christmas bundles that you could buy for like $1 or something at Walgreens. And these are very good shadows. They don't have names on them, but it's like a gray. This is like a blue gray, like a smoky gray. So pretty. And then this one is like a gold, bronzy gold. And then this one is more of a bronze. So you could put these on as a one shadow look or whatever. They were awesome. Again, I don't know why I haven't pulled these out to use them in a long time. I might again put these in a project pan for August. But these are 3 that I have from Profusion from when they first started years ago. Now I can see better. And then I'm gonna go through these here. These are from Lorac. These came in a bundle. You could buy them, all in one pack. And these are awesome. Me and my best friend, we got these again many years ago. I use a few of these on the regular, but some of them I haven't used in a while, so need to pull out all these singles that I have and use them because they are good. That's why they're still in my collection, because they are very good shadows, and I love Lorac. I have decluttered a couple of their palettes that I had because I didn't really use them, but the quality of those was very, very good. But I'm gonna go through these little singles here. This one is in soft pink. This is one that I use regularly. As you can see, it is just like a transition. It's a cool tone transition pinky color that I would use to blend out like purples and blues and things like that. This is in Blanc. Use this one as well as transition. This is just a transition color. You can see I use this regularly to blend out neutral colors. Bone is another one that I use to blend out neutral colors. It's got a nice dip in there. This is like a between the cool and the warm, so more neutral. We have Rose, which is a nice dusty rose color. Ecru, which is a nice satiny taupe. Gilded, which is a gold. This one, the name came off of, and I can't find these online anymore because I was trying to find the bundle and I couldn't find them. So I don't know what this one is, but it is just a nice transition, cool tone, like a tan. Denim, which is a nice denim blue. Sage, it's a nice dusty olive green. Acai, which is a dusty rose, but it's a matte. Storm, it's a taupe, also a matte. It's a darker taupe. Then lastly, we have Black Light, which is a black with a gold shimmer in it. So it'd be great for a smoky eye. So those were all of these Lorac singles. Next, I have a bunch of MAC. These pots, I've got all of these on eBay. So I don't know if these are the original MACs or whatnot, because some of them just have numbers and some of them have names. But these I got years ago on eBay, and I love them all. We have Orange, which is, I'm not going to open them because they are messy. That's just a nice bright mandarin orange or tangerine. This is number 71, which is like a duochrome blue purple, kind of like a periwinkle with a little bit of a purple shift. Yellow Gold, which is just a nice bright gold. Number 75, which is a beautiful shimmery lavender. Humid, which is a grungy green, like olive green. Romp, which is a bright fuchsia. Chrome Yellow, which is a very bright yellow. Golden Lemon, it's a beautiful lime, bright lime green. Typographic, which is a smoky black satin. Blanc Type, which is white. Golden Olive, which is a beautiful rosy. It's got a little bit of rose, but it's more muted, so it's like a bronzy gold. Bronze, which is a nice bronze. Lavender, it's a beautiful purple. Number 89, just a pink, kind of like Romp. Chocolate, it's a beautiful chocolate brown. I used to use this quite a lot in my neutral phase. Freshwater, which is a beautiful blue, which has a little bit of a shift. Dark Soul, which is a black. And then lastly, Passionate, which is a bright fuchsia pink. So those were all the ones I have from MAC. Okay, so there were some more single shadows, Lorac, Profusion, MAC, Wet n Wild, and a couple that I have in here, old ones from Avon. All of these are old, but they work well. They're not going to leave my collection, again, unless they are not showing performance, they have mold, or they go off. These have been in my collection for so many years, and they're still working for me. I'm not going to get rid of them because that's just wasteful. I'm going to keep using it until I can't. I'm not going to throw things away unless it's, again, not performing for me, or I can pass it on to someone if I can, things like that. But let me know if you have tried any of these products. Thank you again for being here. I appreciate you all so very much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next video.